Hello lovelies, product review day, and I am reviewing this brown sugar replacement today, and it got me. I took it off the shelf, honestly thinking that I was buying monk fruit, which I know is a natural product that is sweet. And I thought, oh, this is fantastic, how exciting. And I got it home and I committed the cardinal sin because I didn't do this in the shops, but at least I've got it here to do a product review for you. Read the back of the label, and guess what? 97% erythritol and 0.28% monk fruit. So now, erythritol is a sugar alcohol, which is a laxative, so that's why you end up bloated and windy for the rest of the day when you have some of this kind of sugar replacements. Now, I have spoken on sugar replacements before. I did one on stevia, I think it might have been last week, and this is, they're not my preference, let's put it that way. I feel that it's much better from a lifestyle perspective to get your sweetness from fruit and hot and dried fruit. And that way it's got all of the fiber, zero fiber in this. And the other thing is that these kind of products can keep your sugar monsters alive. And I know that we can't seem to kill them, definitely can't kill mine, but at least we can keep them dormant. And these kind of sweetening products can, just kick them alive again. Anyway, it has got a little bit of molasses in it, and so unlike the stevia, which is 0 calories, this has got a few little calories, but not much by comparison to normal sugar. And at least it's not aspartame or saccharin, so there's no cancer association. So look, it's okay, but if you can, I would really encourage you to get your sweetness from fruit and dried fruit wherever possible. Anyway, I hope that helps. Have a great day.